Doings on doings. Yeah, check your time right now. 11 minutes. Dog Bay is leave 10 a.m. already. On top today, 18th day of December 2023. Monday for that matter. Money runs don't come to an end. And our backyard promos. Doings on doings. Yeah, check your time right now. 11 minutes. Dog Bay is leave 10 a.m. already. On top today, 18th day of December 2023. Monday for that matter. Money runs don't come to an end. And our backyard promos one kickstart. If I don't kickstart, but before we come up for studio, we'll yarn and reason with the one and only Nedo in the building. Yo, welcome. Nedo, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.
You are just new. Well, he has said he don't want anybody to tell him Merry. He talked him last week.
I take him back. No best. I take him back.
I mean, not before you talk. You say make anybody know wish you Merry Christmas.
No, I don't talk like that.
Which one? Compliment of the season, Abi. And consequence of the season.
Touch the wire first. Touch the wire.
The thing, I better touch her.
Touch her.
Ow. Organic, turn it gently.
Remove and choke him back.
Hey.
Remove and choke him back. Oh, yeah, now try choke him back now.
Gently.
Not too rush. No. I just say you be professional for this thing normally. Turn the thing and get. The sound they do mwe. You not clear.
You know stay clear. You go sit down in front of R&B with that too. Now they look into each other's eyes.
Yeah, make we use
look
the
into
other
my
mic.
eyes. You
I bet you tell engineer made a touch that mic where. Made it in for not they make noise, unnecessary noise. This one is better. You were explaining something before, organic.
No, what are they talking about? Say? Which everybody can relate, even you self R&B can relate. For people where they look for people to give them for this Christmas, now compliment of the season.
Yes.
But for those where they give, now the consequences of the season, and then they suffer. So it is consequence of the season. So if you come meet me now, if a man meet me now, say compliment of the season. I know say he won't collect for me. So make promoting that money where they would vex me.
Consequence of the season. There's nothing complimentary about that.
So there's nothing complimentary. So that's why I say it's consequence. I agree to a consequence of the season.
I get your point now though, because really I think with this money we talk about how this season now almost time to really give, especially when people don't they give you on the normal. So now you're trying to give those same people back.
You understand?
Yes. Just appreciate them.
As a girl, guy has been there. Anytime when you post for your DP for WhatsApp start to say I am bored. Now the guy go say, Are you okay? At least this season that is showing love. Ask him, Are you okay? What do you need? If the guy tell you what he need, give him. You understand?
What do you need?
He need nyogriyon. If you need nyogriyon,
no,
give him.
No, you don't need nyogriyon. You get the wife.
What is nyogriyon? I don't know what is nyogriyon.
Okay, so what is nyogriyon?
Now you they ask the question.
I don't know the meaning.
Mona leave me out of this.
But what thing you need?
I shall not need nyogriyon.
Now why they ask what do you need?
Whatever you need.
I need a new laptop. My laptop don't break.
You need a new laptop or laptop?
Laptop. I need a new MacBook.
Now laptop are here.
Okay, sorry, no best. Now they send you know what I mean.
Okay.
I need a new.
Because Twins Daddy birthday is actually coming on January 1st.
Yes.
You're better than January 1.
Yes,
January 1.
Easy.
Yeah. So.
Who shall be?
Now they see us. Now they see us from into 2024.
Yeah,
so we don't they look for where we say we go plan something, surprise for them. Now they ask him now. So what do we need? So because he gets some
strippers.
No, not stripper. Come on.
But you go like him. I beg which one unless your wife no go there.
My brother, I hate this lie. We put all the corn you can't lie.
No. If
I try and last year.
For your wife, no, you don't want stripper. But for that person, yes, he wants.
You see, you see, he don't green now.
So last 2 years when I want to was it last 2 years?
Last 2 years.
So they plan to actually do house party and bring
strippers.
As I just talk her for 1 month now quarrel with the quarrel.
You know I never go strip club before.
Serious?
Lie.
I don't carry my wife. Go only say she can't go to sleep there.
Are you serious?
You go to sleep.
I never ever go. This thing be like it go be like.
Wow.
I never enter a helicopter before.
Helicopter. I mean, never enter jet.
But you don't enter PJ before, sha.
You don't enter PJ now. It's equivalent to helicopter.
So now helicopter.
I never ever go strip club before.
That's strange for you.
No, because normally not the Greek go out.
I know they go out.
I wish they do all those normal club
like
work.
Even you won't go, if not inside Nigeria,
now
can I shock?
Nigeria. Let me shock you. Inside Lagos here, you know Quilox. I never enter. I don't know what it resemble.
Are you for real?
I swear down.
Which club you don't enter before?
The last club where I go now after party of an event, and I know they reach 1 hour.
Just breezing.
Now the noise they make you run.
No, but just the noise. I explain it. I don't understand how I go just starve myself of sleep. I can't go somewhere where everybody they sweat.
No AC, there's no AC.
Every smoke full everywhere. Noise they bang in my
head.
The
speaker they close to your ear.
They close to my ear. I can't drink alcohol in the morning. I can't get headache. Then everybody go they look you. No. Let me go house, sleep, rejuvenate, wake up in the morning. I know, sir, I don't refresh. I don't think where. I don't get ideas of what to do. No, but to go sit down where.
You not mention one part.
Can't they give credit to another person? They can't they enter my phone.
Go home and sleep with person now. You know,
you see that's the thing. You not get how it do me. If I not fit meet you today,
and carry you go house,
today. Except we don't get some sort of connection, maybe
before then.
Vibe just
vibe go down there. We don't they talk. But say I meet you today. Immediately today.
You don't carry house.
My brother, you know, wiping na spirit too.
You know the Lagos.
He get some people. See, let me shock you. He get some those where you go.
Because I know you.
More not deceive us.
I know you.
Not every girl they wipe people.
You don't dey hear.
He gets some.
Becca not well.
I might not be lie you. No matter how I get, he get some girl where you go wipe.
I mean, go to tell Becca.
Because Baba carry sore throat for 2 weeks.
He get some girl where you go nyokre like this.
He
get some girl where you go nyokre like this. My brother, for
your life will
never
never
nobody go call you for a job.
It's spiritual. It's spiritual.
Your block. You go see some things that happen when not supposed to happen. But you get some time guess when they give
now
you.
good luck. Good Lord Jonathan they learn.
You know where go bad pass. If the girl comes serving your grignon.
You don't hear the meaning of your grignon now.
If the girl goes serving your grignon.
Everywhere don't post cat.
Everywhere. And she give you good your grignon, your body shake like small generator.
Oh my God.
Then people begin calling for job left, right, and center. Why you good? He get Baba.
No, some people get good spirit. I understand.
Some girls, you don't go leave that girl.
You know, so yesterday they talk to the guy where they come drop me. So he can't they tell me say I get Ogbanje. I can't tell and say, may you not tell me say I get Ogbanje. He say wetin happen.
Now be the good spirit.
He say na good spirit. He say because anytime in motor they get fault. The moment he won't come pick me, that fault they come out. The motor go dey alright. So he can't they ask me say, do I say I don't go through something like that before? I can't tell and say, well, you get somebody where say I be with, as in where we say we date a long time ago. He tell me say anytime where we say he say make you come see me. Say that day. Say they receive calls of plenty money.
You understand?
So
girls like that day.
May I prove to show Becca the level lose guard. Ask Becca where all her S's did. Now all of them they not did the country. Some of them are politicians. Some of them are. So what did they pay me now? If they use our glory to promote all this.
I use my glory.
Now the funny
which promotion they use?
You know the funny thing.
No, now you never understand.
The funny thing be say whether you get good luck or bad luck, most people know they know. Most girls they not they know say then carry this kind of spirit of say when person wipe them everywhere go block they not they know and some not they
people when they run and
yes now the people they run and some people when they be say if guy there with you no matter what happen that guy not go leave you. He get some guys when they be say then go you go the guy go they give them issues but they not with the girl.
Okay, may I use
they know say the kind of good luck when the guy they give them.
That friend when talk say that man when he follow go their worship center when the guy here waiting the prophetess
yes
the guy return back now he promote her to second wife immediately when he find out say oh yeah
okay all that they do you know understand so there is this girl wey be say na my friend
don't mention him
I no go mention her name na public this thing
now we no dey mention name
wey be say you know she don dey see one man like that so the man na doctor and at the same time he don get wife already for her so they see each other
get wife for her before
the girl na Oshun worshiper Now all these white people worship her. So this man
maybe our natural something as Africans.
This guy can't talk say since they don't introduce them to this girl, say impatience don't increase for hospital they flow 6 people they full out there where they treat them. So one of those days the girl come tell her say may you follow am go Oshogbo festival where they do. So the guy can't follow her, but the guy na Igbo, you understand Yoruba because na Lagos they born her. But this guy no hear Yoruba at all. So during the processes of the Oshun worshiping and everything, you know, so they always give them message.
Yes.
So they say one of the Oshun worshippers come to her front, come they deliver message to her, say any man wey marry am don't carry gold. Say because I heard now Riowo like. Say she get full her head. Say any man wey marry and blah blah blah. But before then, this guy be don't tell my friend. We introduce am to her and say he no get ready to marry her. Within 1 week, now this guy talk say they want go do introduction.
Yes.
He marry am.
He don't marry am right now.
Because see, Baba, that na why it is good to know girls wey get all those good spirit. Hold am well.
So the thing I say, you don't go feel no except you don't try. I also remember how we go Benin. I did Ibadan that time. We go Benin with one of my friends. We can't go club. This normal club from here. So as we go the last club, we dey go back to hotel. Now we say more your pick one. You get me? Now all of us
no
pick
be mineral they pick.
Shut up.
For those who
now
don't
all
understand.
of us pick one. You get me?
No be mineral.
So all of us wake up the next morning. They discharge the next thing. My guy said this one follow and come Lagos.
Are you for real? Just one night.
Before we know, now December this thing happen.
Just one night.
I said before we know, January they don't do wedding. We attend the wedding.
Wow.
I don't see my missing man. Bring and come. We attend wedding with between January. I think it was close to Christmas. I will go that club. January.
Now, my give you gist. He get one again. Where happen? Where
the girl here plenty.
Another day where the thing happen. A person give me gist.
Yeah.
I can't remember who gave me that gist. So the man, normally the married man, almost every married man get babes. So more cannot deceive.
More not they do hypocrisy.
More not. Let's not be hypocrites. So the guy they person I can't remember where the man they. So the evening where that day gone where the guy they go out, the guy withdraw a lot of money for bank. He get money where enter plenty money where the guy hold for hand. That day, as the guy they go, as the guy branch in girlfriend place. That's not for VGC. I can't remember. I don't know exactly where. Yeah. Now the story. I try to remember the story. The man can't sleep there. That night, now I'm robber going house.
The house where they never robbed since.
Where they never robbed since. That night, no, in own house.
In own house.
In own make family house. The wife.
And that's what I'm saying. And
yes, where they never robbed him since.
Before.
That night, now I'm robber go in house.
Wow.
So apparently, assassins send them, made them go. And assassins go, they made them go buy.
But because he get a side chick, God can't save him.
The guy married the side chick, and he says since according to the gist, since he deal with the side chick, blessings, left, right, and center, and all those things.
Oh, I want to ask a very important question.
Not be say side chick they give, not be only side chicks they give blessings.
He gets on the kill
wives. He gets on wives. Not be by now. Not be. Many people not on the think say, oh, so if I get side chick now, blessing will they? Now inside the person.
Now close to your death, you did.
If you go get one, go kill you. Now person, you feel be saying that chick when you go marry as wife, now they give you the blessing. Why they think say some people? Now when they marry, door open.
Yes. Yeah. Some now when they born.
Some now when they born.
So that be the blessings of union when some people don't understand.
Yes. Now so not everybody get that blessing.
So you go marry. Some people go marry some time, but nothing go move.
My vibe.
You go just scatter. So now you say where some people go bring that blessing. Some women get them, some men get them.
Some men get them.
Now why you need to look well.
So based on you where they look well, and based on the sugar daddy of the whole of Africa that you have, where they say you always get plenty side chicks. I go ask you the stupid question. Based on the side chicks where plenty where you they get, which of your other side chicks now don't get this good spirit?
I never know.
Why you don't know?
Why I want to know? The one where I get never.
Get one babe one time. Get one babe one time. Wait.
I know well.
Get one babe one time. Why I be one wipe? I be one young. So now one of my colleague the guy come tell me say,
no try am.
No go there. Say because the last time them be two way don't go there.
They not remain the same.
I don't wanna go there.
So he say
and they go find you.
Fine. Baba, if you see the girl, fine. Say for almost 1 month, say nothing go for inside.
You see this
job was supposed to come, then you cancel them.
Wow,
so
that's strange.
say I beg. Say like me, and I make and they tell me.
No
I say, Baba, you sure say no, just want to make I chop where you go. He say no.
Look
He say if
me.
na that one, say nah, me I may have chop anyone.
Yeah.
Say but bra, no go. And
Naija FM.
We men. See, this machine gun of men, it don't lead many men to grieve. Not be everywhere then they choke.
Not be everywhere.
Not be everywhere.
Not be everywhere they put head.
Not be everywhere they put. Not be everywhere. You go see some men, girl go come meet you. Your spirit go tell you say,
don't go there.
But some men not the year work.
some men
Not
not
head.
the
They use the second leg. They think. I be the third leg.
I give one gist.
Give us the gist.
I don't give.
Shout out so much.
Katim know the gist.
Okay.
Katim, in fact, Katim was there the day
When
we
it
happened.
happen?
Get one girl. Don't forget. I remember anybody no go talk.
No, you dey whisper, not too loud.
When I been there, Igbo phone for one room for Igbo phone. Baba na one Akwa Ibom girl. Na me and the girl nyogrinyo.
Okay.
Hey! The nyogrinyo was
Once they do not they shout like this, you don't say shoot up about
Hey!
Oga, they do take it easy.
So as we nyogrinyo finish, he can't go kitchen, can't cook.
Yes, I be cook. Cook. More not go there.
Baba, the theater. Baba, he give me good food. Can't give me good food.
Food, now. Too good food.
Guess what? That's so the girl can't go. The girl can't talk, say we go see the girl go. I not see the girl again for 2 years.
Whoa.
This was like 2013.
She relocate?
No, 2013. No, 2011. 2011. I not see the girl again. Bro, 2 years later, early 2013, me and Katim dey inside studio that day. Now they test her, now with the gist. Now they say, "Omo, get one calabar," and the girl body soft. Everywhere you dey, you get the point now. So now when they give Katim the gist, they give everybody say, "Omo, you get one calabar girl, one pipe bomb girl, we want your grignon." Omo, I can never forget the girl for my life. Omo, as I they give the gist, the girl they call.
Wow.
Call your phone.
Yes. Omo, now I show Katim, I say, "See the girl." I can answer. That time I be don't move go. I be don't move come off for that. Now the girl come to me say, "Where are you?" I say, "I did walk." Say, "Okay, I'm around. Though. Let's see now." Hey. So because of the nyong, I remember that Celine Dion song. It's all coming back to me now. Now it's all coming back to me. And that music come dey play. My brother. No be him. The girl come. It can't be like say she can't dey glow.
You don't package
your join. The body can't dey softer. Can't be like what pure water. You know where you understand. My brother, for night. As we did on top bed, the girl don't wear that short. The girl one bomb short. So some kind of girl go wear like this.
No, that one a hot pants.
Hot pants.
Not bomb short, hot pants.
You get that, baby? No need me. What a good deal.
I know that one when you tell me off fair. No, I don't know who you be now.
My brother, not being for night. The guys go do just raise back. Now so my opportunity connecting. He had that. Now so my spirit tell me say, don't try it.
Are you serious? The same person will give you good
when
that
they give
time.
you good ones and the rest.
My spirit tell me say, man, no try am. Say I no go there. But my brother more quarter can say, in fact,
so you not come go.
My brother till 5 a.m. I not sleep till
they
morning.
Think about your life.
I did the struggle. In the morning where the girl go. Till today what the float ups I never hear from her again.
But she's alive, right?
I
don't know. Hear from.
I never hear
so
from.
So imagine person we not see for 2 years. Call you
come
say
back
I'm
after 2 years.
Then
and wait, you use condom. Make her talk like a R&B.
Remember if I use condom that.
No, you not use. You still do. You not do now.
I not do.
No, like if you use condom normally.
No, normally go use condom now.
But with that girl, you don't remember if you use or not.
You not do. You know your
tutor. The first time.
How good? Now years ago, now 2012.
That time the news of condom never to spread.
Condom, no, but go circle that time.
Yes. 150. They said 150.
Like
Baba, we share.
150.
So I don't remember, but the truth be say.
So you see that spirit when talk to you. So there's a heavy reason why, and there's a reason why that girl come back after 2 years.
Yes, there's a reason. If you say she said no, even know the reason why she come.
After 2 years, come and see.
What? After she can't go, it can't be like say. Now later, years later, now I can't reason back the thing. It can't be like say it gets something when they come.
When they come block.
When they be one come block.
Sometimes when our this spirit or voice they hear talk to us, we know they hear.
Why Jesus sometimes you go see something tell me make I not go here.
Yeah, but I wish I know I could not go.
People don't listen to us.
We not they listen. I think we not know say we did heavily spiritual. No, we be spiritual being. Most time for every decision and action when you take your mind they tell you don't do it or do it. So if you listen well sometimes you go always learn to make the right decision. Yeah, like clearly.
And our women they stronger passport. They know.
They get coconuted.
You know why it vexes me sometimes. It vexes me sometimes when I see women they fight to be the same thing with man.
So you are different. You cannot be.
You are higher than a man.
You are even heavily different.
You are heavily higher than a man.
Wait, hold on. You
can never.
So
man can never be.
According to Bible, what happen? Not be Adam the first create.
And now from your rib they make us now.
So imagine say they create something from original version. Now the better version.
Now the better, updated version. iOS 17.2.
With the iOS 14.
Yeah,
you understand? Men, for example, now iOS 14.
We even they sleep when they create them.
You understand? So we don't know.
We don't even know.
So now be updated version.
Updated version. Upgraded.
What in Bible call woman?
Taken from a man.
What in Bible call woman? As RMB there so now. What in Bible? What in God call a woman and say, look you. Now you go to help this guy.
The helpmate.
So helpmate, which means he gets this way in nothing
do when you get power.
When you get power to do them.
No, this new word that they want mess up.
No, me I know they mess them up. Now why don't carry your 200 naira like
so which means he get things where you get. Where women get, women not get. In fact, apart from that concept, make we even go to the one when he be say they come on. He get anybody if he come on to this earth without woman.
Nobody.
He not get anybody if he come through this earth. So it affects me when woman not know say then they more powerful. Baba,
you want the rub shoulder with your next gender.
No, you pass any woman feel control any. Why you think say rich man, small girl.
Go your dick,
go they knock him. Come here. They knock up for you. Yeah. But as you did so now,
you know if you try him now.
For Lord, show Lakija will be the biggest, richest African woman. If you see, if she waka enter here now, you could even. But if Otedola enter here, name that small girl. The girl go defeat the iron.
So quickly, I just want your take on this. You and Becca take. So your wife friend asked you for financial help without informing your wife.
It's not possible. It's not possible. It's not going to happen.
It's not nice.
Should you assist her
without
informing your wife?
Even if na my girlfriend, say I never marry my wife, say na my girlfriend, you ask me for
no.
Normally,
has to know.
No, not even like the wife supposed even tell you, say my friend,
no.
Can you help me? No.
Baba, na wife be oga.
Yes, no.
I did tell somebody, like, I even go by show where they say, I say before I marry, I always hear man is the head of the house. Man is the head of the house. I don't marry for over 4 years now. I bet when I want to realize it, I never exercise my duty as head of the house because even to food where they chop now that they make it. I want to go out. You are free to go. Don't go. So I wonder at what point in my life.
When you want to wear clothes, babe, this does not look nice.
It does not look nice. Even though even when Chuck Makriyon come.
Yes.
Now they decide. I already propose. Can we? He go say I will consider. So I wonder where the duty of man of the house. Where it come from?
The duty na the money when they give the responsibility.
Even the money say I not get right over them because sometimes they don't tell me I need this.
You must provide.
Now their provision be the
first duty. So
now be hold on. Now be the man of the house.
Yes.
No other one.
Yes.
That's all. So decision making.
Sometimes this young man they go hide money for inside a car. He say this guy, he knows I be second wife. So I need some things with my first wife. They go through. He go come by the next. They say, Becca, I catch my wife.
I your day upstairs. I your come back from work one day. I your day upstairs. I dey change. One might say go to the window. I your see my wife. You dey choke enter my car like this. He dey ransack me.
I don't tell her where to check.
No, I don't tell her. But now you come tell me say, I catch my wife. Say for window, she dey tip my money.
So since then, what I do now? I don't even money for my pay that center play between chair. on that place for back. My wife don't know that there. So now I said back. I'll come put myself booty.
Lock up.
So yesterday she don't know where he did.
No, she not listen.
So yesterday he come with me. He said, "Do you have money in your car?" I said, "Go and check now." You cannot safeguard the money already. He said, "Are you sure?" He said, "You go and check." It's like there's no money there. I got to say, truly, she give up. Now, he said, "Can you PP?" He didn't check. Now, probably only live there.
So see, you not get how as a man, if you truly respect the woman where you deal with, if you truly respect your woman, either your wife or your girlfriend, and her friend can't ask you for money behind your wife.
No, it's not nice.
You go the wife. Now, in fact, if you now your wife, now you go even give her the money.
Yes.
Instead of you, right?
Mm-hmm.
In fact, another thing again, where plenty people don't know, as a man with the house, except say your wife na party.
Let's be party.
Rubbish. If your wife not be party, even your own parents, now your wife supposed to give them the money.
But I know they like that for Nigeria.
See, Baba, now for your parents, you even your own parents, now you go carry money, give your wife, say
because you go build some kind of relationship between your.
That woman.
But you get some mother-in-law, sister-in-law. We beside the end of the day, they can't tell you say now you know they let their brother.
That's why it better for you to be the one to give them.
Give the wife. You get the wife would they give them, so they go know so now the wife they control from always.
So that they go know that the wife. If the husband not give, will be their son. They go fit to say so now you they make our son. But if now she they give her, well, even if he hook, now she go tell them say, mommy, he get her see he won't go lower one thing. Do you understand what I'm saying? Then go understand even when he did, she
they actually give.
So respect go there for her even more, and if respect there for her more, he go now the man now go they gain. Why you know they notice say some families. The secret where their wife, their daughter-in-law know their own son will be.
They don't know.
They don't know.
Yeah.
Then go your mother feel call R&B mother feel they call R&B wife now tell her say R&B don't know what they
don't know what because of that good relationship.
Because of that relationship.
Talking about good relationship, we get one video we trend this weekend of one father-in-law. When they do the video of the bride where his son they marry.
The son, yeah.
I don't see the video.
Well, you know, say Nigeria will not get sense for this country. So people you sexualize. So I think one useless comment. This one that the father-in-law is being playful with the son's wife to be now. Are you sure there's nothing going on between them?
If you see the way this man they do the video, even go down to the point they video the woman like this.
Social media, you look.
We not get people when get sense food.
You see where the social media. Especially the comments we receive for social media. So I don't know whether before I be one attribute them to maybe anger of how
frustration. It's part of it though.
Frustration. I mean, people will just come out.
They talk rubbish.
If you see baby Becca post picture now, her fine hair will get a bit of orange. Her jacket will get a bit of orange. Her innerwear will get a bit of orange in it. She can't post them. If you go that comment, go right now. Wow. If I could tell us say you be orange girl now.
Or if you could tell us say don't they sell orange.
If I could tell us say don't they sell orange. Anyways, you look good.
Yeah.
No, you are a problem. If you see that picture, you cannot think of any
or that
good
thing
thing except what thing go hurt that person.
Problem with you.
Then now you be the problem.
True.
So, which is what I tell a lot of people. If you see comments like that, no, they answer them because now that person be the problem, not be you.
You know, I also can. You know, if you control how other people react towards you, but if you control how you take react,
you can only control how you take react. You know, if you control. I post picture yesterday, my throwback picture. So you go see one or two comments. Short man.
Even me say, what I would write. Thank God.
Thank God. You say thank God.
Thank God. Yeah, because that motivation.
That motivation. I know why I posted that thing. Post the one at the end.
Yes, I see the end now. I watch everything finish.
It's intentional.
God is good now. Yeah, I say God is good.
It's intentional. Me, you know, say not give up. Person will give up. Now mess up.
But some people they don't see that thing.
They don't see him. No. So now short man.
You know, say sometimes people
your head big. So
people
I see one useless comment. They wonder why you never do that. I think one say, oh, now money make you fine, something like that. Come okay.
You ugly before. So if that is all you can think of, then now you get the problem. And you know why I'm not going to see such comments? Because even if I see them, I not even do anything about it. I go just ignore them. I know what rubbish is that?
Oh, no, it is well, you. We they go outside right now. We they leave a guy they do for inside the building.
And sorry, before I continue, another thing where I go talk. All of una when they be say, una go carry una personal life, they go social media. You see, everything about you for social media now entertainment for the space for social media space. They not send you. Now just that you go notice say sometime when the thing come. You go see if Yul Edochie, if Instablog now post Yul Edochie now, you go see person come for comment. And we still on this matter. I thought we have moved on to another thing. Because na entertainment you be for them. If na read something, it go still matter to them. But na because of saying na entertainment, he get this Oladip's own. Where Oladip's die, Ola Christ, sorry. Where resurrection power, as he come back to life. Now somebody say, because of the tears where he waste, say he don't die. Say, it no go better for you. You go die that die. I try to understand. You cry, say the person die.
You say, alive.
The person come back to life. Yeah. Are you not supposed to be happy?
So you actually pray,
make the person die.
So your tears are tears of joy, normal. Can you see the stupidity?
So it pain me when people they consider comments, negative comments for social media. Think I'm saying that the person ain't get problem. That be you. Except say you do rubbish on social media in the first place because it gets some comments where they deserve it.
We don't come out a big outside.